Hello, everybody.
Hi.
It is Dum Dum here, but I'm going to use my normal voice because we're going to be cleaning an Xbox disc because it won't work.
Also known as GTA.
Yes. Don't ask me why, but
You went into the wrong place, didn't you?
Jordan.
So you need one plastic container
That fits a disc.
that fits in a disc. Wait, what? No, that fits a disc in it.
Yes. Now.
It doesn't matter what size disc. Okay.
All right. So you wait.
You have to get hot water. You have to put it in there.
Now, ready?
Put the disc in. Trust me, this won't break it. And then let it soak.
Now pick it up.
Now pick it up. It gets all wet. And now you dry it. And then it should work. Let's go upstairs after this, and then let's see if it works. If it doesn't, then we're screwed.
Well, I'll be dead, but you won't.
Yeah, no.
Oh yeah, there's a bunch of scratches.
Oh, yeah. Maybe that's why it wasn't working.
Yeah.
Clean it, child.
All right, that's working.
Are you sure? Okay, let's go see. If this doesn't work, then it's not my fault. Because it was your idea.
My brother did it with a Sonic disc.
I don't think it's going to work.
It will work. I heard that.
Yeah, this isn't going to work.
Yes, it will.
No.
We've never actually done it.
Okay, well, we'll try. So look, there's the Xbox. Ow!
Yes, and if you guys want to friend me, yeah, my account name is...
I'm just going to play you a little bit of a tune.
Stop. Stop.
I told you. I told you!
Yeah, but it read it.
What?
It read it.
It read it, but boy, there's still scratches on the back. Do you just want to do it to the back? Why don't we just soak it with a cloth? Let's try that! And now we're soaking it with a cloth.
Yeah, let me see. Wait, why don't we just put a cloth over it?
Stupid.
I saw that. It's behind your back. Ow.
I hit him with it. Ah! Whoopsie. The darkness will follow. Okay, now we're trying this. Great. It's not going to work.
Have you actually ever tried it?
No. And I know it's not going to work because you're going to die.
What?
What? What? What? I said nothing. So basically you need a cloth and then you need what was that?
I don't know.
Then you need a beep. I'm kidding. You need
All right,
water.
I'll leave it in here for an hour or so.
No, not an hour.
Yes!
No, a minute.
No.
30 seconds. Okay, let me turn the lights on.
We don't want no lunch.
Whoopsie.
I hate you.
Yeah, turn the lights on. Oof! Okay, and also today we're going to be...
My legs are flickering.
My nipples are tingling.
My nipples.
No, they're tickling.
Let's go check.
Okay, that wasn't even 30 seconds, but okay. His nipples are tingling. What have you done? If this doesn't work, you're dead.
No.
I don't
See less scratches.
Yeah, I don't really see much. Okay, clean it.
All right, give me a sec.
That's totally cleaning it. Just clean it. Okay, come on, clean it. No, don't soak it again. Okay, clean it. Look at this. What are you doing? That does nothing.
I think we have to dry it. What are you doing?
Boom.
No.
Wait, you ready? Wait.